Hi everyone, and welcome back to another crafting video. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to make such adorable and cute bookmarks. These bookmarks are perfect for a gift, for your own use when you're reading your own books. I personally am going to make bookmarks for the book club that I am part of. So let's get started with the materials we will be using. Now let's get started on materials. I'm first going to show you guys this beautiful sparkly and star glitter bookmarks. This is absolutely perfect for that bookmark that you just want to add a little extra sparkle to. I love how everything is within the acrylic, so you're not actually feeling any glitter or sparkles. Now we have our basic clear acrylic bookmarks. As you can see, the frosted one still has the protective layer, while the clear one I've removed to show you guys how it will look. And of course, my handy dandy teckwrapcraft squeegee with the felt siding. And the most needed item for every project is my needle pen. Now I'm going to be grabbing Piggy Pink from the 001 vinyl series. We're also going to be using it in white. And then we will also be grabbing our light blue. This is my absolute favorite series to work with. And we're also going to be grabbing the color Vanilla. Vanilla is the perfect pale color to use when designing anything, as well as characters, and our gold foil, and of course our TeckWrap transfer tape. Of course, we can't forget the best sticky mat is the standard tack from teckwrapcraft. Now for this project, I grabbed my designs from Cricut Design Space. All I had to do was search up a bookmark design, and I picked these two out. So what I'm going to do now is, taking the measurements of the bookmarks, I'm going to go ahead and make a square or a rounded edge square and turn it into a template. So here I'm just going to send the square to the back and see the reference. I really like to use this method just so I can visualize a little bit better how I'm going to be placing my bookmark designs and how big or small I want it to be. For the second bookmark, we're just going to repeat those same steps. So we're just going to duplicate or insert another shape of the same size and go ahead and resize the second bookmark. Now that we have all of our vinyls cut out, I always love to show how easy it is to read and work with TeckWrapcraft vinyl. Even when people think that specialty vinyls such as gold foil or any other textures would be difficult to work with, that is absolutely not the case with this brand. You can even see in the smaller thin parts of our cut, it is weeding like butter. Even when it comes to weeding out small thin parts and weeding out the centers of our letters, it doesn't mess with any other parts of our vinyl. And with other companies, I tend to find that the middle parts always make me nervous because I don't want my image to move. Now that we have everything weeded out, we're going to go ahead and start placing our design onto the acrylic bookmark. I love using teckwrapcraft transfer tape. This transfer tape works stupendous with the TeckWrap vinyl, but also when I use a different brand, it also works just as great. So this is a very universal transfer tape to use for any project. My other favorite feature about this transfer tape is that it provides you guidelines to ensure that you are placing your pieces of vinyl straight or centered or where you want them. This is because not only is this just a guideline, but it's not invasive and it doesn't obstruct your view from your project underneath. Now let's work on our second bookmark. I'm going to grab the sparkle bookmark, and as you can see, some parts of my project are unaligned, so I'm just going to take my weeding pen and put them in place where I would like them. And I like to do this with very small parts of my project, that way I don't have to necessarily grab the transfer tape and make it a little bit of a more difficult task. So I'm just going to go ahead and place the items just how I like them. I'm so obsessed with how these bookmarks turned out, and I especially love how the gold foil looks on them. And this slit on top allows you to add anything you want as like a tassel or a ribbon or just a cute accessory for personalizing this bookmark further. So I'm going to be adding a piece of satin fabric and kind of create a little bow with it. I'm obsessed with how this looks, and I absolutely love the touch of adding a bow to the top of these bookmarks. Thank you guys so much for following along with me on this video. If you guys liked this video, please go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!